When I first saw the WowStick, I jumped at it immediately because for $50, you could get pretty much every electronic screwdriver you would need all in one, since it comes with 69 different heads. This made it incredible for doing small electronic repairs, and the screwdriver itself was sleek and motorized, making it even more convenient. However, there is one flaw to this screwdriver, and that's that you cannot control how fast it goes. This makes it entirely too easy to strip out a screw, especially smaller ones. I've personally had 4 or 5 different times using the screwdriver where the screw stripped out, making the repair almost impossible. Once I realized it was the screwdriver's fault, I started looking for an alternative, and this is when I found a $14 non-electric screwdriver that comes with all the heads you would possibly need and an assortment of extra helpful parts, such as extenders, prying tools, and drilling accessories. All things that made it even more convenient than the WowStick. While I loved my WowStick at first, as soon as I got this new screwdriver, I loved it so much more. Despite it not looking as cool and sophisticated, it was just what I needed and at an incredibly affordable price. And ever since buying it, all my WowSticks do are collect dust.